Brushing your teeth. To most people, it's second nature. You wake up in the morning, squirt out some toothpaste, and start cleaning your teeth. But who actually takes the time to make sure they're brushing long enough? The average person only spends about 60 seconds every time they're brushing their teeth. That's only half the recommended time. But do you really need to brush for 2 minutes every single time? Well, let's talk about your teeth. Your teeth have 5 different surfaces. Dentists like to call these the occlusal, facial, lingual, mesial, and distal surfaces. Let's just call these the top, right, left, front, and back surfaces of your teeth. Bacteria live in your mouth, and they can thrive on any of these surfaces on your teeth. Some of these bacteria are actually good for you, but some are bad, very bad. These bad bacteria like to feast on the leftovers in your mouth. It's kind of like eating the garbage out of a dumpster. Ew! You want to know what these bacteria do when they're full from all the residue in your mouth? Well, they poop. Okay, not that kind of poop. They poop out acids. But these acids are very bad for your teeth and can cause them to decay over time. That means you need to make sure you clean all these surfaces on your teeth every time you brush to prevent these bad bacteria from building up and pooping all over your mouth. So do you really need to spend 2 minutes brushing your teeth every morning and evening? The answer is no. But you do need to make sure you properly clean every surface of your teeth. Since most people are only brushing for 1 minute, a lot of people tend to miss some spots, allowing these bacteria to build up, which can eventually lead to a cavity, gum disease, or even your teeth falling out. Even with 2 minutes, it can still be hard to properly clean all your teeth. You might end up having to spend 2.5 minutes or even 3 minutes. But as long as you're getting all the surfaces, you're doing a good job. So next time you're brushing your teeth, your question shouldn't be, has it been 2 minutes yet? No, it should be, did I make sure I cleaned all 5 surfaces of all my teeth? Okay, so how do you know if you're properly cleaning all the surfaces on your teeth? You can't just sit around and wait for a cavity to see if you're doing something wrong. The best thing to do is to have a routine and stick to it. For example, you might always start on the left side of your mouth and work your way around from there. Or you might always start off by cleaning all the top surfaces of your teeth first and then go on to the next surface. See what works best for you. If you like a routine, stick to it and it'll help make sure you don't forget to clean a surface later on. Brushing like this could end up taking you a little longer than 2 minutes, but if you want to keep your teeth as healthy as possible, it's definitely worth it. Oh, and don't forget to floss too, because those bad bacteria love to live in between your teeth, and those areas are pretty hard to clean with just a toothbrush. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new dental secrets every week.